From household essentials to clever tools and personal care products, these items have earned their spot on this list. Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Dia, and on this channel, I share tips and ideas for creating a beautiful and practical home. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you some of my favorite Amazon finds that have really made a difference in my life. These items have been my go-to solutions over the past couple of years, and I can't wait to show you how useful they can be for you too. From household essentials to clever tools and personal care products, these items have earned their spot on this list. So let's get started. First of all, I always say that an elegant-looking home needs to have clean windows, because allowing natural light to flood into your rooms through crystal clean windows is crucial for it looking brighter and more appealing. Not to mention, it allows you to have unobstructed views from your windows. Although you can hire a crew to clean your windows, an easy and very economical way to keep your windows clean is this cleaning solution that comes in a convenient bottle that you can attach to your hose. So you can wash the exterior of your windows in 3 easy steps. Rinse, wash, and rinse again. And just like that, you can easily wash dust and grime off your windows and screens. It also leaves a protective layer on the window panes to keep them looking clean longer. This cleaning paste is something that I actually use in my own home for a while now, but I also use it when preparing homes for sale, homes that I'm staging to be sold. It has no harsh chemicals, but is very effective at removing stains on kitchen sinks and bathroom surfaces and gives them a nice sheen. When setting up my guest bathroom, I like to make things easily accessible for my guests when they're staying at my home. That is why I have open shelving. That way, they don't have to go into cupboards to find the items that they need. Although I want my guests to feel free to use wipes if they need them, having wipes displayed in their original packaging is not aesthetically pleasing. So I always store the wipes in a lidded container in a color that complements the bathroom's color palette. This is a nice way to hide these ugly but useful personal care items and keep them easily accessible. So while we're in the guest bathroom, let me show you another practical item I installed inside the vanity cabinet door for easy access but out of sight. I know there are many paper towel holders out there, but this one can be adhered to the inside of the cabinet door, so paper towels are easy to get to but out of sight when not needed. This particular one has a spring mechanism, so you can pull a piece off with one hand without the roll unraveling. Another practical home improvement gadget are these paint touch-up pens. Paint touch-up pens. Try saying that 3 times. You simply fill them with leftover latex paint, and by rotating the bottom, it dispenses just the right amount of paint so you can touch up your walls without having to pull out a can of paint and brush and then have the hassle of cleaning the brush. I label them with the room name and surface and store them in a cool place so I can reach for them over the several years to touch up nicks and small imperfections on my walls. As a stylist and stager, I frequently use a handheld steamer to iron out wrinkles from fabrics and draperies. I also like to use it to freshen up my own clothes. I've tried many handheld steamers, but this Black & Decker one is very convenient because it has a super long cord and a good size water reservoir. It has different attachments so you can steam delicate fabrics without fear of damaging it. To go with the steamer, I got these steamer mittens that you can use to get to hard-to-reach areas that makes it easier and faster to steam items. When I'm out and about, whether driving to work or out shopping, I like to take my own cold or hot beverage with me. This 40-ounce double vacuum stainless steel thermos keeps things cold for 48 hours and hot for 24. It comes with a straw lid and a flex cap with an airtight seal, which makes it 100% leak-proof. All parts are made of 100% non-toxic BPA-free plastic and food-grade stainless steel. And now let me share with you some personal care items that I will never go without. I color my hair dark, and I like to go into the hair salon every 4 to 5 weeks for a root touch-up. However, quite often my roots come out sooner than I can get to see my stylist. So in between root touch-ups, I use this compact touch-up powder to cover my grays, so I feel confident going out in public. It's easy to apply and blend, and is also great at hiding thinning areas. It's long-lasting, so I don't have to worry about reapplying until I wash my hair. My hubby is constantly complaining about dry skin. So a couple of years ago, I bought him this all-natural raw balm. Soon after he started using it, he said to me, "You've got to try this. This is amazing." Well, that particular day, I had been outside gardening without gloves. So by the time I made it into the house, my hands were very dry, irritated, and were itchy. So I thought I'd give it a try. Within a few minutes, the irritation went down and my hands felt so moisturized. It's very thick, so a little goes a long way. Now, don't let me fool you. It doesn't smell great, but we call it our miracle cream and make sure we always have it in stock in our home for minor burns and other skin irritations. I have sensitive skin and often get dry red patches on my neck, hands, and face. So when I noticed that this brand has another lotion that has turmeric in it that deals with acne and rashes, I decided to try it. Well, this balm works so well at calming my skin, plus reduces the look of scars. Next, I'd like to share some grooming tools that have made a huge difference in my everyday personal care routine. Over the years, I've looked high and low for an effective tweezer that can grab the hair and pull it out easily. As we age, our skin gets loose, so being able to grab the hair and pull it easily can be a challenge, so a good tweezer is essential. This Tweezerman tweezer is my favorite so far because it is large enough to easily hold between my fingers and has a slanted point that allows me to extract those pesky stray hairs with precision. And while we're talking about the eye area of our face, let me share another Tweezerman tool that I simply cannot live without. When applying makeup, well-defined eyes is a must, and so is making the most of your eyelashes. This is why a good eyelash curler is a necessity. Over the years, I've tried many eyelash curlers, and I wasn't quite happy. I even tried using a hairdryer to warm up my lash curler and nearly burnt my eyelashes and my eyelid. I'm so pleased on how easy it is to get that perfect curl that lasts. It also comes with replacement pads, so since I use it on a daily basis, I switch them out every 3 or 4 months so I get consistent, perfect results. Well, there's some of my favorite Amazon finds. I do have more, so please let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to make another video to share some more practical and home decor Amazon finds that I own, have tried, and I'm loving. Until next time, bye for now.